The Kolkata-class are a class of stealth-guided missile destroyers constructed for the Indian Navy. The class comprises 3 ships: Kolkata, Kochi and Chennai, all of which are being built by Mazagon Dock Limited in India, and are the largest destroyers to be operated by the Indian Navy. Due to delays in their construction, and a problem found during the sea trials, the initial commissioning date of the first ship of the class has been pushed back from 2010 to 2014. The destroyers are a follow-on of the Project 15 Delhi-class destroyers, but are considerably more capable due to major improvements in the design, the addition of substantial land attack capabilities, and the fitting out of modern sensors and weapons systems. The keel of the first P-15B ship was laid in October 2013. Development. In 1986, the Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs approved a follow-on class of the earlier Project 15 Delhi-class destroyers. The aim was that the follow-on class would incorporate a higher level of air defense, land attack, anti-submarine and anti-ship capabilities than the preceding class. However, the Indian Navy did not initially take up the option. By the year 2000, the Indian Navy had redesigned the follow-on Kolkata-class to incorporate even higher levels of technology, and in May of that year, approval for the construction was given. Concept and function for Project 15A was framed by the Navy's Directorate of Naval Design, while the detailed design was developed by Mazagon Dock Limited. Construction Construction of 3 Kolkata-class ships was sanctioned by the Government of India in May 2000, and steel for the lead ship was cut in March 2003. Construction began in September 2003 at Mazagon Docks, Mumbai, with an initial expectation that the first of the class would be handed over to the Navy by 2010. However, since then the Kolkata class has suffered consecutive delays, slow construction procedures and technical problems which saw the first ship of the class enter service during mid-2014. The delays in the construction program have been attributed to persistent design changes made by the Indian Navy to incorporate new weapons systems and sensors, failure by a Ukrainian shipyard to deliver the ship's propellers and shafts and the contract later being awarded to a Russian firm, and finally the delay in the delivery of the Barak 8 anti-air missiles, which are still in the final stages of completion with Israel Aerospace Industries and the Defense Research and Development Organization. The Kolkata-class are the largest destroyers ever to be constructed at Mazagon Docks, and as of 2013, all 3 ships of the class have been launched and are being fitted out. Technical problems were found during the sea trials of the lead ship Kolkata, which delayed the project by 6 months to early 2014. Design and description. The Kolkata-class share similar dimensions to the previous Delhi class, however they have 2,363 modifications which include major upgrades in weaponry, sensors and helicopter systems. With a standard displacement of 6,800 t and a full load displacement of 7,400 t, they are the largest destroyers ever operated by the Indian Navy. Some media reports have even given a full load displacement of 7,500 t. These are the first stealth destroyers being built by India and marked a significant development in India's shipbuilding technology. The ships would incorporate modern weapons and sensors, and will have an advanced information warfare suite, an auxiliary control system with a sophisticated power distribution architecture, and modular crew quarters. The class have a length of 163 meters, a beam of 17.4 m and a draft of 6.5 m. The ship's power and propulsion features a standard combined gas and gas system utilizing twin Zoya M36E gas turbine plants and 4 DT59 reversible gas turbines. The class also features 2 kVm diesel engines. On board Wärtsilä WCM1000 generators and Kirloskar AC generators supply the ship's electricity. The 2 propellers are run via 2 G54 gearboxes. This configuration allows the ship to reach speeds in excess of 30 kn. Aviation facilities include a large flight deck, which was redesigned to handle larger helicopters than the Delhi class, and an enclosed hangar for up to 2 maritime helicopters. The primary radar sensor of the class is the ELM 2248 MF Star Multi-Mission AESA. It is also equipped with Thales LW-08 long-range volume search radar and ELM-2238 S-band star surveillance radar from Israel Aerospace Industries. A Nagion active towed array sonar and a bow-mounted sonar HUMSANG are carried for subsurface surveillance. To protect against anti-ship missiles coming from multiple directions, the ship carries the Elbit Systems Deceiver MKI decoy control and launching system. The ship's main air defense armament is composed of two 4x8 SAL vertical launching systems allowing for up to 32 Barak 8 air defense missiles. In addition, 4 AK-630 CIWS are fitted for close-in defense. The supersonic BrahMos anti-ship and land attack missiles are the primary offensive armament of the Kolkata-class. The BrahMos missiles are fitted into a 16-cell universal vertical launcher module allowing one missile per launch silo, and all 16 missiles can be fired in salvo. Perhaps the most distinctive and noticeable armament of the Kolkata-class is its 76mm naval gun located forward of a bridge. The 76mm gun provides limited anti-shipping capability and anti-air capability in addition to its naval gun fire support role for land-based operations. For anti-submarine warfare, the Kolkata-class are equipped with a torpedo launching system via 4 torpedo tubes and 2 BU-6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers. Bell's Electronic Modular Command and Control Applications Mk4 provides combat management. A whopping 4 million lines of codes have been written to develop the most advanced combat management system aboard INS Kochi. The system is so well developed that all the data about the surrounding threat comes in one place, along with analysis about the kind of threat. It does not stop at that. The system also advises the commanding officer about the kind of weaponry he should use to tackle the threat. Obviously, all this happens in real time. Ships of the class. Initially in 2008, the total program cost with long-term spare parts was expected to cost it to the first 3,800 crore, but the construction costs escalated about 225%, and by 2011, cost of the program became it to the first 11,662 crore, with each ship costing it to the first 3,900 crore. The Defense Minister A.K. Antony cited the causes being the delay in supply of warship-grade steel by Russia, increase in costs of Russian specialists due to inflation during the build period, wage revision due from October 2003 and delay in finalization of cost of weapons and census. See also, List of active Indian Navy ships, Future of the Indian Navy, Project 17A class frigate, A planned frigate class of the Indian Navy. References. External links, Kolkata-class destroyer, Bharat Rakshak, Aegis vessels of the world, Kolkata-class, details on the specifications of the ship and recent images of INS Kolkata at sea. Video links, INS Kolkata on YouTube.